someone who wants to get quality education without breaking the bank?
We're going to break the bank!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student in Sri Lanka dreaming of studying in the UK, then this video is for you. Let us dive into today's topic of budget-friendly universities in the UK where you can get quality education without breaking the bank. Studying in the UK can be expensive, but the good news is that we have affordable campuses for you, where you can get quality education too without affording too much.
Say that, it's too much money.
Here are our top 5 budget-friendly universities in the UK. We're going to start off with the first one, that is University of Cumbria, with tuition fees for international students starting at £10,000 per year. It's also known for courses in education, health and business. And if you're someone who loves a great university environment, this pick is definitely for you. Coming up next, we have Teesside University starting around £11,000 per year. It's also a budget-friendly area to live in, which means you'll be saving on your tuition fees as well as the living costs. Our third pick is University of Bolton. With fees starting around £10,000 and £12,500, Bolton offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs. This university also gives scholarship to international students, which also makes it even more affordable. Our fourth pick is University of Sunderland, known for its business, engineering and nursing programs. And also with fees starting at around £12,000 per year, the area is also relatively affordable. And also this university helps international students to settle in even faster. Last but not the least, we have our Leeds Beckett University. Fees here start at around £12,000, also known for its many course options and student-friendly support. Last but not the least, here are key tips for saving money while studying in the UK. The first tip is to go on for university scholarships. It's very easy to save your tuition fees as well as your living costs if you're going for a university scholarship, since they help you with your financial side as well. The second point that I would like to address is to go for shared accommodation. Rather than staying in your university hostels, it's way more better to go for a shared housing, because that way you can share everything and also you can balance the amount of funds and your financial side as well. Third is to work part-time. Usually when you get your term vacations, the university actually lets you work for 20 hours per term. So in that way you can also gain some work experience at the same time. So there you have it, some of the budget-friendly universities in the UK that offers quality education for Sri Lankan students. Remember, the key point here is to find a university that fits your academic goals as well as your budget. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you do have any comments, you can leave it in the comment section. We are there to help you out. If you're looking for professional support and guidance, Ardent Immigration Inc. is here to help you out. What you can do is reach out to us for your study program. We will help you out in your UK universities more and beyond.